Hi everyone, this is Nikki from the design team, and today I'm here to share another intro video with you. Today will be build a bow, and this is something that I have been dying for a long time from Cat Scrappiness. I love making paper bows on my cards, and so here's my sample. I made a little Christmas tree shape out of the bows. There are 4 bows in this set. I will give you the measurements of all the bows in the description, so make sure you check that. And of course, if you're going shopping, make sure to go through the links in the description. If you haven't done it yet, please hit the like and subscribe on the Cat Scrappiness channel. We'd love to have you, and we do tons of product demos, so I would love to see you here. So I'm showing you that I'm using 3 bows. I'm going to put aside the largest bow, so I'm not going to use the largest bow on my sample, but you can see it's right here. They each have that little, I guess the ends of the ribbon, and then they have a middle part that holds them together, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. So when this comes out of the die machine, I did curl these edges a little bit. I used a pencil and just kind of curled the bow around. I'm going to use glue dots because I don't want to have to wait on adhesive to dry while I'm holding this in place, and I feel like the glue dots are very strong adhesive, so even though sometimes they're a little tricky to work with, they make putting together this bow a little bit easier. So I'm going to put, I think I end up using 5 glue dots. I'll show you, but we'll hold this end down and see how it's sticking even to my finger. So we got one edge of the bow. Now we're going to add another glue dot. So that gets our bow taken care of. It looks so cute. I mean, you could just leave it like this and it would be adorable, but we've got even more detail to add. So we're going to do the centerpiece, and that just gives it more dimension. So I'm going to add some glue dots and glue this down. Okay, now I've got the center done. I'm pressing that down, and I added a glue dot to the middle of what I'm going to call the ribbon tails. I don't know what we should call this piece, but I've got all of this situated, and I've tried to get it very even. And then now you need to push right in the middle of your bow because your bow is 3D, so you need to kind of push it down, and this gives it even more height. I like to make sure that my bow is perfectly formed before I stick it to this last piece, so I give it a little extra right there. And then now I'm just going to hold this down with my finger, and I'll show you the results. It's so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, let me show you the final card, and this does have some additional things from the new release, some of the sequins, these cool shaker card fronts, lots of fun stuff. I'll put all of that in the links in the description. Make sure you go through those if you're going shopping today, and here is the final card up close so you can see it. I just love it. It's a great set. I'll put dimensions in the description as well. Make sure if you haven't done it yet, you hit the like and subscribe button to the Cat Scrappiness channel. We'll see you soon. Bye!